I'm giving a shout out to Angleton Railroaders getting a ductless LG air conditioning system installed in Keith's bedroom.
You want to go outside?
Yeah, I think I want to take that drain line and go on this side of the copper. That way it's on the, looking at it's on the right hand side.
This system is very efficient.
Yeah, so pick the line set up and pull the drain line over. There you go, that's good. That's it, man. Alright. Yeah, no, you're good. I like it. We're good. Yeah, there are two screws in it.
To hold what?
To hold the front face in. See if in that baggie, if you can find two screws to put this through the bottom of the
So
face.
they're installing the air conditioner.
There's a couple of black screws in here. What you looking for?
Yeah. There you go.
So now, are there any screws that's holding that unit in?
On the bottom there will be.
Okay.
There's two hooks on top, hooks on the base,
Okay.
and then the bottom gets screwed down. Is that drill it?
So he's screwing it in right now. The screws go at the bottom of the unit.
Okay. Now our power's gonna come up here and terminate and set this box.
Just got to put another screw in. I'll zoom in for y'all.
I just gotta feed the wiring. Terminate the wiring. I'll phone from here, and we'll phone from the outside after we connect the line set.
Okay.
Now they got to feed the lines through. So this is a LG Ductless air conditioning system in here in my brother's bedroom. This bedroom belongs to Keith McGuire. And I give you a shout out to you, Keith McGuire. I am filming this video just for you, Keith. Now they are outside at the other end of the wall, feeding in the lines up through the hole and up to the unit in here. And you can connect this air conditioning system up to your Wi-Fi network. The air conditioner just kicked on, not this LG Ductless. It was their Amana. So y'all got to run the power
Yeah.
to the unit?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So like I said, they're going to run power to the unit. And thank you for watching this video. And hit the subscribe button, and God bless you. Be who you are. I love you with all my heart. God loves you. And God bless Santa Fe, Texas. And God bless America. Thanks.